This example is something that I came across while I was listening to the TV. どちらに、どちらに。When we just see it in hiragana, we will take it as where
or which or who. Its meaning changes depending on the context. In the following example,
どちらに is a polite form of asking where. For example, 先生はどちらにいらっしゃいますか？先生はどちらにいらっしゃいますか？ Where is the teacher? どちらに。However, I heard this word with flat style. I mean, どちらに、どちらに、どちらに is right. And I heard it どちらに from TV. I mean, I didn't watch the screen and I just did other things. And the announcer said, ジョージ王子、どちらに。So I thought that the announcer used the wrong pitch accent. どちらに It should be どちらに I thought. And I looked at the screen and I understood. The title says, ジョージ王子、どちらに. And this kanji, に means alike. So this title means, which parent does Prince George look like? ジョージ王子、どちらに. This word どちらに is not a usual word, so you don't need to learn this word. I just introduced this topic to show even native Japanese speakers misunderstand the meaning of the sentence without kanji. About the pitch accent, どちらに you should learn just どちらに head high style どちらに which means where. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。